Today's topic is to merge the list of tuples into the list by joining the strings or together. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is by using a join function and do the list comprehension, and the method 2 by using the map and do the join function. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a join function and do the list comprehension. So first we are going to initialize our list of tuples, that is the list 1, and after that we are going to go through each and every tuple of our list, in which we are going to add them together with a dash symbol in between both of the strings. And after that we are storing all of these values into the list number 2, and we have them as an output. So as you can see to here, the elements of the tuple 1, they are being combined with a dash in between them, and after that we have a next element, and then the so on.